In the shadows of your doubts we rise, breaking chains and tearing down the lies. History's written in the leaves we hold. Cannabis freedom, a story bold. Stand tall, we reclaim our right. No more fear in the fading light. Raise your hands, we're fighting for the truth. Every blood, a symbol of our youth. No more lies from the powers that be. Cannabis freedom, we'll set it free. They paint it green with a wicked brush, but we won't bow, no need to rush. Inherited from the spirits of the past, our voice is strong, we will outlast. This is our ground, hear the call. United we stand, together we'll all. Raise your hands, we're fighting for the truth. Every bud, a symbol of our youth. No more lies from the powers that be. Cannabis freedom, we'll set it free. We'll set it free. We'll set it free. With every leaf, we break the mold. This fight is ours, we're strong and gold.